أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا. Okay. قيما لينذر قي, not خي. This is letter qa. The last part of the tongue should touch the upper soft palate. qa and also heavy. قي. Pronounce ya with tashdid. قيمل. And you cannot say this qayyiman. Okay, tanween when followed by lam and the letter ra, that tanween will completely get merged into lam in the way that its sifat of what we say gunna will be removed completely. So you cannot say qayyiman but qayyimal. Okay. قيما لينذر This is the rule of ikhfa, where you are doing gunna but by hiding it. How to hide it? You should not say like yun, no. You should not pronounce it correctly. Just like how when you say junk, J-U-N-K, junk food, you pronounce N but you will not touch the tip of the tongue to the upper gums, right? You're hiding it there like junk. Just like that, liyunzira. Again the same letter dal with no buzzing sound. You cannot say liyunzira, that is wrong. Tip of the tongue should come out touching the corners of your upper front incisor teeth. Okay, liyunzira. Ra, the ruling of ra is very simple and easy. When the ra has the harakas which are above it, like fatha and dhamma are always above it, then the ra is heavy. Okay, when the ra has the letters with the harakas which are below it, like kasra, kasratan, khadi kasra, or what we say standing kasra, then this ra will become light. Okay, even with dhammatan, fathatan, it is heavy. And another ruling is when ra has sakin, then you should see the letter before it. The same ruling applies here. If the letter before it has the upper harakas like fatha, dhamma and all, then it will be heavier. When it has the lower haraka, that is kasra, then that will be light. Okay, remember this ruling throughout the lesson. Liyunzira, it has a fatha, so it will be heavier. Ra, you cannot say liyunzira, it is liyunzira. Okay, ba'san shadidan min ladunhu. Ba'san. Kindly mute your mics. I can hear a few voices. Please mute it. Ba'san shadidan min ladunhu. Ba'san. You can see this hamza, right? Hamza, when it has a sakin on it, sukoon, then you will pronounce it with a jerk, a cut-off sound like ba'san. Don't say ba'san. It should be like ba'san. Fine. Again, you will have to do ikhfa here. That is to haraka gunna while hiding its gunna. Ba'san shadidan. Shadid to haraka. Shadidam. Now you will do idgham. Idgham means merging for to haraka gunna. Shadidam. In this way, you have to do gunna. Shadidam min ladunhu. See again, just like how in the beginning of ayah you can see qayyimal you recited. Did not read nun sakin which is hidden in tanween, right? Same way here also you will not recite minla. It will be milla, just cancelling the noon because it has already merged with the lam completely. Milladunhu, dunhu idhar. Milladunhu wa yubashshiral mu'minina. Wa yubashshiral. Okay, all the letters are here with fatha, dhamma, kasra, which is one haraka count. Okay, but sheen has tashdid, so put a little stress on it. Tashdid, the W sign always means, W like sign always means there are two letters in one letter, so you have to put a stress on it, like wa yubashshira. Okay, ra is heavier, it has fatha. Wa yubashshiral mu'minina, not mu'minina. It should be mu'minina because this is hamza here. Mu'minina alladhina. Same word again, alladina, where dal will be pronounced without any buzzing sound, no z kind of sound. وَيُبَشِّرَ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ الَّذِينَ يَعْمَلُونَ الصَّالِحَاتِ. يَعْمَلُونَ. Ain is very important. Don't say يَعْمَلُونَ. يَعْمَلُونَ. Okay? يَعْمَلُونَ salihati. This is the heavy letter. If you say ya'maluna salihati, then that will convert into the seen. Can you see? This is seen, this is sad, having same articulation point, same makhraj. What is the difference between these two letters? This saw is heavy letter. It will be pronounced just like SAW, saw, which you say in English. I saw that. You won't say I saw her, I saw him. You say I saw him. right? Saw, that is the heaviness. Just like that, you will say, you will recite يَعْمَلُونَ الصَّالِحَاتِ. Saw, doing isti'ala, rising the back part of your tongue. يَعْمَلُونَ الصَّالِحَاتِ. This ha is a sharp ha. That was also there in the first word of the surah, Alhamdu, right? If you don't pronounce it with a sharpness, then that will convert into this ha, milladunhu, hu, with a blunt sound. You cannot change a letter in the Quran. That is the haram mistake. So this ha will be with a blunt sound, milladunhu, and this is with a sharp sound, salihati, ha. Okay, يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أن to حركة غنة لهم. See this ha with a blunt sound. أجرا, jim with قلقلة. قلقلة is bouncing its sound. أجرا. What about this fathatan on ra? When ra has the upper harakas like fatha, dhamma, fathatan, dhammatan, it will be heavier. We discussed it now. So you cannot say ajran. It will be ajran. Ra, ra, ra. Okay, heavier. Ajran hasana. See again the same letter ha with the sharpness. Hasana. 2 count stretching due to madal iwad ruling. Now you can recite with me, inshallah. You can keep your mics mute so that others won't get disturbed. Keep it mute and recite with me silently, so that everyone will listen to my voice clearly and they will recite. Okay? Yes. قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا.